Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are facing this problem, your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes Store. Guys, if you are iPhone user and you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until then because I have some solution about this problem. I hope your problem will be solved after this watching this video. And guys, first of all, launch the setting application appears on screen and tap on your Apple ID and tap on media and purchases. Here you can see, tap on view account. Now wait for few seconds. Here you can see appears on screen. This is the interface. Here guys, simply tap on manage payments, appears on screen. Guys, first method is solve this issue. Guys, change the your payment method or remove your payment method. You can see appears on screen. I have not added my payment method. You can remove and you can change your payment method. I hope your problem will be solved and must be see the next solution is. And guys, here you can see, simply tap on security. Here you can see guys, next solution is change the password of your Apple ID. After changing the password, your problem will be solved 110%. If this method will not work, you can contact with applespot.com and share your problem. I hope your problem will be solved after chatting with applespot.com.